Good evening, folks. We're back again at 9:14 p.m. and we are running a mini for Matt's Blue Snaggletooth, as you can see there. As I'm going up the line here, we got 84 spots in this mini. The top 6 win spots in the main. Here we go. Excuse me, please. I'm going to paste them in here. There they are. One through 84. Gonna roll the dice, got to get at least a 5 to play. We got a 10, so we're good to go. Good luck, everybody. I'm gonna get right into it. Adam takes the first round. Gene round 2. Gary round 3. And round 4. Scott round 5. Gene again on top in round 6. And round 7. Scott round 8. Gary round 9. And our winners are Gene, Scott, Andrew, Troy, and Andrew. Those are our top 6. Congrats, fellas. Here's our official results. PGR POI. There you have it. Which means, once again, I am done. At 9:16. 9:16 p.m. There she is. Again, here's our official results and our winners. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Thanks.